New federal figures on this World AIDS Day suggest Manitoba had the highest rate of new diagnoses of HIV across Canada in 2024. At 19.5 new cases per 100,000 people, it's more than 3 times the national rate.
Certainly, there's lots of folks that are very concerned about that and need to come together for a collaborated response and coordinated response.
Kim Templeton with the Manitoba HIV program says they had 377 cases referred to them last year. 291 were newly diagnosed, Manitoba residents. The rest were already diagnosed and new to the province.
There's been a really sharp increase in the number of people newly diagnosed and referred to the program in the last 5 years. So there was a 230% increase between 2020 and 2024.
She says Indigenous people, especially women and people who use drugs and those experiencing homelessness, have been disproportionately impacted. These organizations are connecting with people in downtown Winnipeg, handing out pamphlets and supplies to prevent the spread of HIV/AIDS and support those living with the disease. Melissa Morris was diagnosed about 20 years ago and now works with the Indigenous-led organization Ganaganijik.
If we don't start meeting underlying needs, then our numbers are going to be tripling within the next few years. And we could see, right now we're seeing 1 person a day being diagnosed in Manitoba with HIV. We could be seeing nearly 1,000 people if we don't make changes now.
She says more education and funding for Indigenous-led community-level supports are needed. Tara Christensen with the Winnipeg Regional Health Authority's Hawks team agrees.
Up until recently, HIV care in Manitoba is very highly centralized. There's been some work within the Manitoba HIV program to decentralize that and make places like Access Downtown, Aboriginal Health and Wellness more accessible.
The Manitoba HIV program is calling on the province to better evaluate services and invest in monitoring to close existing gaps, as Manitoba is on track to hit a new record in 2025. Rosanna Hempel, CBC News, Winnipeg.